I found an interesting little tool for FreeBSD called CPULimit by Angelo Maroletta. And to use the official description on the GitHub page, it's a tool which limits the CPU usage of a process, expressed in percentage, not in CPU time. It is useful to control batch jobs when you don't want them to eat too many CPU cycles. The goal is to prevent the process from running for more than a specified time ratio. It does not change the nice value or other scheduling priority settings, but the real CPU usage. Also, it's able to adapt itself to the overall system load dynamically and quickly. The control of the used CPU amount is done sending SIGSTOP and SIGCONT POSIX signals to processors. All the children processors and threads of the specified processors will share the same percentage of CPU. You can install via package or ports, and if you want to install via package, it's pkg install CPULimit. You can either use portmaster or the traditional way. It's portmaster sysutils /CPULimit, or you can change into directory usr ports sysutils CPULimit and then make install clean. Right, so we want to set up a little task that's going to tie up a single CPU, and we're going to use DD just to write some garbage to the system, just so it ties things up. And it should be running because we've got the ampersand on the end, it should be running in the background. And if we have a look at top, we should, it's underneath the simple screen record a huge CPU usage. There it is, under the red line. It's 100% DD. So that's what we want. And there's the PID number. We'll need that when we use CPULimit. So now that we know it's running at 100%, we just go into root and we issue the command CPULimit -- and then the PID thing, and put the number that we copied. And the options would be, in this case, --limit to 50%. And hopefully it's reduced it. So yes, simple screen record is still there, and the actual DD is fluctuating between them two positions. But as you can see, it's no longer 100%. It's just roughly 7%. So that's it's not 50%. I would imagine it would have been about 50, but it's greatly reduced. Right, so we just come out of that. There we go. And we go back, and it should, yeah, it's back to how it was, 100%. There are quite a few switches you can use on this. I wonder why 50% didn't bring it down. We'll try 75 on this, see what this does. And we'll have it running in the background. And again, just under 10%. How that is, not 13 now, 10. That is strange. When you used 50%, it was a lot lower than that. Oh well, never mind. So we'll try one more setting, see if that does have a marketed, a max difference. Seems weird. I mean, it does limit it, but it doesn't seem to limit it by how much you tell it to. So if you say limit by 10%. Okay, well that's back to what it was when you said 50. Okie dokie. Well anyway, it seems to reduce it, that's all we need. You can add on to this particular command, you can tell it to run in the background, which, you know, you can do if you use the ampersand at the end. That seems to do the same thing. And there's a whole heap of different switches that you can use. You just put CPULimit --help. I mean, it's not, you know, it's not a fantastic amount, but there's enough to explore. I don't know how useful this program will be. It seems to kind of ignore the amounts. If you tell it to like run to 50%, it kind of ignores the amounts. It goes from, you know, 100% down to 10 if you put 50. But you know, I don't know. Maybe I'm using it wrong. That wouldn't be too far-fetched. If you find this useful, leave a comment in this comment section down below. If I'm using it completely wrong, which is not far from the possibility, then please also let me know. And I hope you found this useful. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.